What's up guys, it's Coding Jesus, and in today's video we're going to take a look at how much money I made on YouTube. Now for some context guys, I currently have 1,500 subscribers and I started monetizing on December 16th. So without further ado, let's jump into the actual numbers here. Alright guys, so as you can see, I made a whopping total of $30 on YouTube. Yes, $30 over 2 weeks. That puts me above the global poverty line of $2 a day. So at least I have something to be proud of in that regard. But in all honesty guys, this video isn't really about how much money I make. Yeah, I'm showing you how much money I make on YouTube, 30 bucks, who cares? This video is a thank you video for all those of you that have subscribed to me in 2020, that have liked, that have commented, that have shared my videos. It means a lot to me. I also have a Patreon if you want to check out my Patreon in the link in the description box below. A Discord link is there, and I have a Calendly link there as well if you would like to have one-on-one consulting sessions with me. I do resume reviews, career advice, mock interviews, but I can pretty much do anything you want me to do as long as it's not illegal.